Hey guys, I have this, I made this, and that too, this and that. So, how do I do it? Welcome to Obstant. Today, I choose a picture that look like it's in the style of Mad Max or Dune cars. It's easy to change and blend the color while working on it. These styles are perfect for experimenting with contrast and textures, giving your design a rugged, otherworldly feel. If you are ever unsure about which theme to go with, remember that inspiration can come from the most unexpected place like movies, books, or even a walk outside. As you can see, I have aligned the image. Now I am going to type some text, something like you. Let's talk a bit about the text in design. Choosing the right font is crucial. Fonts have personalities, some are bold and attractive, while others are playful or elegant. The text you choose should align with the mode of your design. I will first order it and try to position it with the image. Now I copy the image, move it up over the text and right click on it. Then choose make a clipping marks. This technique is really handy, especially when you want to blend the elements together without losing the impact of your design. It might seem like there is no chance it will work, but here is a little tricky for you. When you go to the text, double click on it and add a stroke. Magic happens. That text will clip with the image, creating a seamless blend that can make your design pop. Adding a stroke gives the text more definition, helping it stand out against a busy background. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. I want some blank space to make it more attractive, so I delete one slice of the image. Negative space, also known as a white space, is an often overlooked but vital part of a good design. It helps to balance your composition and can guide the viewer's attention to the most important elements. Then I type another text like find and do do the same clipping. Now your design is speaking the language of the apocalypse, one word at a time. If you ever stuck while designing, try playing around with different placements and see how the modes of your design changes. It's almost done, guys. For more texture, I add another text my way. It's just a random text that suddenly come to my mind. I actually don't have any idea where to go with. How should I call you? Fun aside, I don't clip this text. I just blend the colors and give it a white stroke that make it feel good here. This is your chance to play with the color theory. For instance, did you know that warm color like reds and orange can evoke energy and patience, while the cool colors like blues and greens can create a calming effect? Experiment with the different colors, slates to find the perfect balance for your design. Almost, almost done. Finally, I add a rectangle shape as the cherry on top. It's like adding the final touch to your masterpiece, giving it that polished, complete look. Shapes are powerful tools in design. They can frame your content, create a visual interest, or even be the focal point. Always take a moment to step back and review your work. Sometimes looking at your design with fresh eyes can reveal the area that need adjustment or enhancement. That's all guys. Let's see the preview. I hope you have learned something. Remember, Photoshop is like a sandbox. There is no right or wrong, just endless possibilities. Whether you are just starting or have been designing for years, there is always something new to discover. For more subscription to the Obstant Rise. See you soon. Thank you guys.